What matters most to families.
A new model.
The future of rare disease. Early diagnosis. The future for rare disease. Extraordinary patient advocate. Innovation. New ways and new approaches.
Future of rare disease.
My daughter has a very bright future.
Hey, I'm Luke Rosen, and I'm the founder of KIF1A.org, which is a foundation that my wife and I started when my daughter was diagnosed with a rare neurological disorder caused by a mutation in the gene KIF1A. And we started a foundation, and the goal of the foundation is to connect people and to support research. And so when we started, we knew of about 25 families, and now we have 250 families. So we're a quickly growing group of advocates and researchers and families and patients. I'm also, I work in rare disease policy and patient engagement at Therapeutics, which is a biotech working on rare neurological disorders. When it comes to the future of therapeutics, I think that just that, infusing what matters most to families, is the future of how we're going to efficiently create therapeutics and get people access to medicines that they need so badly. Kids like Susanna and other kids with various rare genetic diseases, and it's educating and understanding the different modalities of therapeutics. So knowing what an ASO is, knowing what small molecule drug development is and how that could possibly benefit somebody, and knowing what gene therapy is, and understanding next generation medicine and how it might be able to affect and impact families and patients with rare disease. And so the future is infusing what matters most to the families into every element of discovery and process of development, and making sure that every family and rare disease caregiver and our community understands next generation therapeutic development. I think that the biggest obstacles in this process and understanding what's the challenges before is time and efficiency, and making sure that the R part of R&D is being actually translated to development. And I think that the families and the patients are kind of the and to R&D, right? It's making sure that everything is happening efficiently and as collaboratively as possible. So it's making sure that every stakeholder is working with extreme urgency, extreme collaboration, and that everything is really science-driven. So I think that the key to any obstacle or challenges is inherently breaking down barriers and making sure that everybody is collaborating in an efficient way, but also to change the default of what we understand as industry, and knowing that the default can't be, no, we can't do that. The default needs to be, how can we figure out a way to do that and get to clinic as fast as possible.
Transforming the lives of patients.
Infusing what matters most to families.
A new model.
The future of rare disease. Early diagnosis. The future for rare disease. Extraordinary patient advocate. Innovation. New ways and new approaches.
Future of rare disease.
My daughter has a very bright future.